Imagine you're faced with a problem where you need to extract a specific substring from a larger string, but this substring is located between two other optional substrings. The trick here is that if the border substrings aren't found, you want the entire string to be extracted. Tricky, right? Now, diving into the solution, it's crucial to make both border substring patterns mandatory rather than optional. This ensures that either both delimiters are present or neither is present. It might sound counterintuitive, but it simplifies the process. The key lies in capturing everything between the mandatory patterns and replacing the entire input with the capture group. This also involves matching what comes after the second delimiter to remove it effectively. Keeping all this in mind, the essential code snippet to achieve this is pat equals r in quote, asterisk, bc, asterisk, yef, asterisk end quote. This allows you to extract the desired substring efficiently. In summary, when facing the problem of extracting a substring with optional border substrings, remember to make these delimiters mandatory in your pattern. This way, you can effortlessly capture the intended substring while ensuring the pattern matches the specific context. So, next time you encounter a similar challenge, just remember to tweak your approach, and you'll be extracting substrings like a pro. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding, folks!